Okay, let's talk about writing equations given a table. When we're writing our equations, we're focusing on y equals mx plus b, to which m is our slope and b is our y-intercept. And we have to make sure that we understand how to find each of those. Given a table, to find our slope, we're going to be using change in y over change in x. And then to get our y-intercept, we're going to have to actually plug in our slope and an ordered pair from our table and solve. So let's start with our slope. Since our numerator is change in y, we're going to start by determining how our y values are changing. To get from negative 17 to negative 3, I can see that they are adding 4. So for our slope, our numerator is going to be 4. Next, we want to find the change in x. To get from negative 21 to negative 15, I can see that they are adding 6. That means our denominator is going to be 6. Well, this ratio can be simplified. Both 4 and 6 are divisible by 2, so if I divide each of them by 2, I can get an equivalent ratio of 2 over 3. That means that our slope is 2/3. Next, we want to solve for the y-intercept. To solve for the y-intercept, I'm going to choose an ordered pair from my table, and I'm going to plug the ordered pair and my slope into y equals mx plus b. So instead of y, I know that my y value is negative 5. Instead of m, I know my slope is 2/3. Instead of x, my x value is negative 3. And then I don't know what b is yet. That's what I'm solving for. To start with, I need to simplify 2/3 of negative 3. Well, 2/3 times negative 3 over 1 is negative 6 over 3, which simplifies to negative 2. So then now I could say negative 5 is equal to negative 2 plus some number. To get b by itself, I need to use inverse operations to get rid of this minus 2. So I'm going to add 2 to both sides. Negative 5 plus 2 is negative 3. That means my y-intercept is negative 3. Therefore, my equation would be y equals 2/3 x minus 3.